Okay. Chilikila malakila. Oh my na my na. Mm, 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 mm. అరే ఇది మొన్నదదే ఇది అదే చిలిపిలి పలుకులు. తిన్నర. ఓకే లెట్ స్టార్ట్. లాగ్ అవుతుంది ల్యాప్టాప్ అంతా, చిరాకులేస్తుంది. ఈరోజు ఏం చేద్దాం అంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి వెళ్దాం. అండ్ విల్ గో in this we'll go to any one. Bucket sort, shell, Illyrian circuit, line sweep at a probability and statistic, minimum spanning tree, radix sort, bit mask, linked list, order set. నిద్ర వస్తుంది. Binary search tree. We'll go here, and from this we'll try to complete the easy problems. All easy problem because today I'm not being well. I'm feeling tired. Topics. Not topic difficult. Mm, is easy. Okay, we'll now do the path sum something. We got some easy problem. We'll try to do it. I hope you can able to hear me, and the thing is my laptop is behaving worst today. I don't know why. బా ఇంత లాగ్ ఉంది. చిలిపిలి పలుకులు. ఓ మైనా మైనా కన్నులు. We have to return the path sum, I think. Let's see. I don't know why there is a problem with my laptop today. I think it will take little time to adjust. Okay. Let's see. Until then, given the root of the binary tree and integer target sum, return the true if tree has a root to leaf node path such that adding up all the values along the path equals target sum. A leaf is a node with no children. Uh, how can we do it? How can we do it? Let's take this. We'll copy this. And we'll try to find out the logic behind the question, and we'll think about it. Today date 18. check. Uh, 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 uh. Mm, mm. I hope everyone can able to see the screen writing board. Okay. Uh, Still it is lagging. I don't know why. I think you can able to see that lag. Are you able to see it? Eh? If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe. I shall I today I don't have even interest to do, and still this messing me up. Shit, yeah, okay, here we have to find a path. Is there any path which satisfy our target sum? What they gave target sum as 22. Okay, target sum as 22, and let's see, 13 plus 8 is how much? Hmm? Open your calculator, calci, and 13 plus 8 plus 5. Okay, we have to find, and it should be from root to the leaf node, right? There should not contain any intermediate node. I hope so. I think if we get intermediate node value as equal to a target sum, we should not return that. So how can we do it? So then we have to start from here, and we have to go till here, and if we get, then our answer should be fine. Otherwise our answer should be return false. Okay, how to do that? If I go from here, here, and here, and here, if it is 0 and there is no uh, uh, null values, then we can return true, otherwise we can return false. Yes, we will go from up to low. We'll use a recursion here, okay, to solve this, and we'll use the DFS method. Okay, we'll try to code it, and we'll try to find out the logic. If we miss anything, SQL Anoga, bro, what happened? Oh, I will do SQL on Saturdays, bro. Actually, I thought to do, but I don't have enough time to do research on that. I mean, I have to. My idea about SQL is I will teach few concepts in SQL. I mean DBMS and SQL. Then I will try to do few questions on that. I not on the topic what I explained, but I will do few questions so that we'll learn a lot instead of only doing questions. So I have to prepare for it for that. So I think from Jan we can do it. Let's see. Based on the situation, we will do. Once we start, we'll continue it. Okay. Today, now we need a target sum. If root is equal to null, return false. If target sum equal to 0 and root dot left is equal to null, and okay, sorry, I think when we have to send but the root will be go down, right? So now target sum minus root dot val is equal to 0, then and this root dot val root dot left is equal to null, and root dot right is equal to null, then return true. That's it, right? We have to return true there. Okay, and even or target sum is less than 0, return false. Okay, if root null or target sum is less than 0, we have to return false. If the target sum minus our root value is equal to 0, then root dot left is equal to null and right also null, then we have to do it. Now we have to take boolean left is equal to has path sum root dot left comma target sum minus root dot val. Okay, now boolean right is equal to has path sum of root dot right comma target sum minus root dot val. Okay, now we have to return left or right. Any one is true, we have to return true. Yeah, anyone okay, at the same time teach us also. Yes, I will do it. I will do it, bro. Definitely I will do it. Now let's try to run it and let's see. I hope you understand the code. What difficult, because if I make it, let's see, run it. Accepted. Okay, done. I thought the target sum will be positive and we have to check only the positive sum, but there might be a negative as well, so we have to take care of it as well. If anyone not able to understand the code what I wrote, please write in the chat box. I will explain. Do you stream every day? Yes, bro. Most of the days I will try to stream. Sometimes due to any health issues or being lazy, most of the time I will do. From January I will try to do daily. Last few days I am not doing daily, but I will try to do it daily at 9:30 p.m. If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe. Daily 9:30 p.m. will start. The stream length will be mostly 1 hour to 2 hours based on the interest, not only interest. What we say, mm, interest and interest to అన్నిటి బట్టి will take care of the time length. If we had more interest and we had the ability to do more questions, we will try to maintain and try to increase our stream uh, hours as well. Of where you study. Actually, I have graduated this year, 2025. I am currently working at Accenture in Bangalore. What is mean by off? I not understand danger smiley, bro. What is my off? Sum of left. I hope everybody understand the previous problem. If you are not able to understand the previous problem, write in the chat box. I will try to explain in using the uh, tree. I will explain the tree, why what I wrote and why I wrote that recursion, how why it helps me. I will explain it clearly. If you able to understand, it's well and good. We'll try to do the next question. The next question is sum of left leaves, and I will send the Mic off. Hello. Are you not able to hear me? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. I think just now I saw my live. My mic is working fine. I think let's see. Hello. Hello. Yeah, mic is on. Yeah, it's working. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, very good. Now let's try to solve sum of left leaves. A leaf is a node with no children. A left leaf is a left that is a left child of another node. What? There are two left leaves in the binary tree with values 9 and 10 respectively. Okay, we'll try to return 0, then we'll try to find if I remove this 15 and I will add null here. Let's see what happens. It should be, we have to get 9. Our answer should be 9. Yes. Okay. Fun left, fun some left root function. I will share the link. Try to open your laptops and try to do with me. It will helpful to you rather than just watching the stream. It will definitely helpful to you. If you are into the IT sector or any other. Okay, we have to start from root node and we have to go till end. Mm, and how to find it is the leftmost value of the node. I mean, we have to go left and we have to even go right and we have to go left. If left is null, then we are going to say and okay. Mm, 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 mm. If you are new to our stream, please hit like and subscribe button and don't forget to hit bell icon as well. And I have shared my description in description. I shared my LinkedIn and Instagram and WhatsApp link. Please follow me there. Okay, we'll try to uh, do the question. How? Okay, I will copy this and I will open the notepad and we'll try to do it. Mm, mm, mm. Sum of left sum left tree left leaf left leaves. Okay. Now we have to add only the left leaf nodes. How can we know these two are the left node? From this pictorial graph, I mean this graph, we can able to by watching this we can say these two are. But how can we make it? How to do it? Let's make. We'll be here and we'll go here and we'll check if left is not null and if left dot left is null and left null, we are going to add this sum there. Okay, otherwise we will store one thing. We'll take another extra variable. I mean in recursion we will take one root And is it left or right? I mean left and right. If it is 1, then our node is left, and node has 0, I mean null values, then we will add it onto our answer, and we also make it answer here. Okay, instead of writing your answer, we will make it as global variable as answer. Okay, and if it is 1, I mean I am going to target the right value. So even if it is even if the what we said, right nodes has null values, we should not take add into the answer. I think it should work. What we'll say, guys, will it work? Apply BFS a indicator variable in recursion to know with left or right from parent, and if value is null it is leaf node, and just check if it is right or left. Very good, bro. The same thing what I got into my brain. Let's try it, and we'll do it. Okay, and I'm going to take ANS is equal to 0 here, and I'm going to return ANS, and I'm going to, let's take DFS root comma, it is 0 and it is 0, because it is root node is not a right node and a left node, so we have to make it as 0. Then void DFS tree node root comma int left comma, I'll take L because already there is a variable called left and right. Now if root is equal to null, return. Okay, otherwise if root dot left is equal to now I have to check left, right? Left L is equal to 1, and root dot left is equal to null, and root dot right is equal to null, go answer plus is equal to root dot val. Okay, otherwise we have to go DFS of root dot left comma 1 comma 0, and DFS of root dot right comma 0 comma 1. I think it should work. Let's see. Let's submit it, and we'll see will we can able to do it or not. Yes, accepted, and it is 0 ms. Very good. Why, right? Very good, bro. Thanks for your suggestion. Rice you 5400. Thanks for the suggestion, bro. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Add a question. ఇప్పుడే కాదు. Okay. Next, island perimeter. We'll try it. Island perimeter. You are given row into call grid representing a map where grid of I j is equal to 1 represent land and grid of j is equal to represent water. Okay, grid are connected horizontally or vertically, not diagonally. Okay, the grid is completely surrounded by water, and there is exactly one island, that is one or more connected land cells. The island does not have lakes, meaning the water inside it is not connected to the water around the island. One cell is a square with side length 1. The grid is rectangle width of height does not exceed 100. Determine the perimeter of the land. 60 now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. అబ్బో, ఇదేంటిది ట్రీయా? ఇదేంటి బిఎస్టీయా? ఇది ఎందుకు నాకు గ్రాఫ్ ప్రాబ్లం లాగా I'm thinking it is in the form of graph. Is it BST only? Birth for search. Sorry. From I'm doing breadth for search. I'm thought it as BST, binary search tree. We'll do those questions because our title is that, right? Binary search. Binary search కాదు, binary index binary search tree. Yes. Okay, we'll do this. Absolute difference. Absolute difference in BST. Come on, guys. If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. I am able to see 6 people are watching, but only 4 likes. Come on, guys. It is illegal. You have to do subscribe and turn on bell icon and like the stream. If you don't like the stream, just keep a message in the chat box so that I can, based on your suggestion, I will optimize my stream and make more effective. Given the root of the BST, return the minimum absolute difference between the values of any two different nodes in the tree. Minimum absolute difference. Okay, we have to return these two minimum and these two. Okay. We have to do it. How can we know? Any any two nodes, right? Any two different nodes. Okay. Mm, okay. Bro, don't know much about BST. Can you explain once? Okay, how to start lead code? Yeah, I will tell you, Sridhar. Okay, bro. One second. What is minimum BST, right? Uh, I will explain you it. Mm. I hope you had an idea of binary tree. What is meant by binary tree? Binary tree, nothing but you are going to have two uh, childs. I mean, two zero, one or two childs for a single node. It is, we call this as binary tree. It can be has single node or it can be has two nodes and it can has zero nodes. At last we are going to have zero nodes, right? This we call it as binary tree. If it has many number of trees and we it can be converted to graph or it can be made into another tree, but it is we are limited to now binary tree only. So next, what is meant by binary search tree means the binary tree is mm made up of such that if you take a node, like take it as x, the left side of the x all has the lesser values than x and right side will have always the maximum value, then I mean greater value than x. If a tree, if a binary tree is in the form of where the node has the node left child's should be smaller than the root node and the right side nodes child node should be greater than the root node, then we call this as BST. I will take an example. Look here. uh, it's not a BST, right? Okay, we'll take an example. 10, 5 and 3 and here 7 and here 15 and here 12 and here 13. No, not 13, we'll take 17. Okay, now look, left side of the 10 all are smaller than this 10, right? 5 is smaller than 10, 3 is smaller than 10, 7 is also smaller than 10. Look at this node, left side is 3, 3 is smaller than 5. On right side you are able to see that 7 is greater than 10. In the same, sorry, 5, in the same way at this point all the right side nodes are all greater than 10. We call this type of trees as BST, I mean binary search trees. I hope you understand it. And how to start lead code? Best way is open any uh, sheet, like Striver sheet or any other sheet which you like to do, and just start doing it. If you are unable to do it or unable to solve any question, watch the videos and try to understand the algorithm what they wrote and what they explain, and try to implement those algorithm, and try to implement them. You will definitely, after few uh, days, you will definitely get into a better position. Best thing is just open a lead code and start doing. It is the best way to start the lead code. Open a street sheet and try to do it. Given truth node, we have to return the minimum absolute difference between the values of any two different nodes. He said any two different nodes, but why my brain is not working in this way? I mean, look, uh, I'll get into the whiteboard. Let's 1 second. We'll go here. Mm, it is 10, and we have 5 here, and we have 4 here, and we have 9 here, and we are going to have 17 here, 13 here, and we are going to have 20 here. Okay, from this question, I mean from this graph, the absolute difference between two nodes for this is 1, and the minimum will be 1, right? Because in BST there will be no uh, same nodes, there will be no same value nodes, or definitely the all values should be unique, I mean different, and they are in the form of this. So we are, the minimum will be definitely 1. Next greatest number after 4 will be definitely 5, and the next smallest number will be 9, and next, sorry, greatest number will be 9, and next smallest number will be 4 for this 5. If I try to find any other difference rather than these two, if I try to find the 17, then it should cross the 10. I mean the difference between 5 and 10 is 5, and these two is 7. So we are going to make huge, we are going to get huge value, right? So we have to find the absolute difference, minimum absolute difference of a root node with the child and right child and left child. If based on that we have to save our answer, right? So let's try to solve it. I think you got the idea. I will explain it clearly again. Okay, open 1 second. Hmm. I will take another color. Now I am here. Now I will check the absolute difference between my this root, this child, and 5 and 17. If my absolute difference is which is smaller, like take this is our smaller absolute difference 5, so I will save it as 5. Next, I will move this pointer to 5, and I will check the absolute difference between 4 and 9. It becomes 1 and it becomes 4. The minimum will be 1, so I am going to save here 1. And another thing is, we no need to check this 5 and 17, 5 and 13, 5 and 20, right? Because it will definitely increase our absolute difference, because it has to go from 10 to 17 to 20, 10 to 17, 10 to 7, 10 to 13. I mean, it's definitely it should cross from 10, means the absolute difference will definitely increases when I try to check which is far away from the root node. So I will check only the difference between the root node's child. So if I get the minimum value, what I get will be my answer. Okay, I hope you understand that, and we'll try to code it. Okay, I have to return the minimum, right? I will take int ans is equal to 0. Hmm. Return ans, and I will try to write dfs of root. Okay, now void dfs root. I have to write here tree node. Now if, sorry, if root is equal to null, we have to return, and otherwise I have to check if root dot left is not equal to null, then ans is equal to math dot min of, oh, it should not be, it should be integer dot max underscore value. Since I have to find the minimum value, the answer should be max underscore value. Then I have to check ans comma root dot val I'll take root dot val minus root dot left. Okay, I will now if root dot right is not equal to null, then ans is equal to math dot min of ans comma root dot right dot val minus root dot val. Here also I have to write here root dot left dot val here. Now I have to go dfs of root dot left and dfs of root dot right. Now let's see, and let's control enter. I think it should successfully submit it. Oh, wrong answer. Why I got wrong answer? Come on guys, if you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button, and please share with your friends as well. Don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, let's see why we are going to get 9 here. The difference between 9 9 ఎందుకు వస్తుంది ఇలా ఆన్సర్? 9 అంటే ఓకే, this 227 and 236. Okay, the right side will be decreases, right? The sum, so we have to check this with our root value also. So it might be little more difficult. I think the number of rows is 10 power 4 again. Mm. One second. 4 submissions. Okay, no problem for the today. Tender 17. Okay, yeah, I removed that. Okay, no problem. Okay, remaining we will do it tomorrow. I think it is enough for today. My aim is not to be hurry and to solve more questions. My aim is to solve at least one question daily so that everyone can able to do it. Okay, if you're new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. We'll again see you tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. Okay, bye friends. Bye friends. Good night. Good night. ఎంత 2 సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ వచ్చారు, ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ పెడితే.